Today we are making fish. This fish is called sika. We are going to do something little special today. I've never done this before, but I will probably get it right because from the smell of the fish. Let's see. Our plan is to use this as a base. We are going to put the fish here. It's fish juice all over the floor now. We have this quite extraordinary looking. Alright, we need to unfroze these fishes. But yeah, we will get to these fishes after they are unfrozen. We have these potatoes over here that we are going to boil, but fortunately we are in the masculine energy powered kitchen here, so our lovely feminine energy will wash these potatoes for us. The fishes are still quite frozen, but I have to tell you some few things about these fishes. You see, I already took the scales out, so you should also take scales out from your fish. I won't take out the fins and all things because they are going in the oven. I'm just gonna probably make some slices here, and then I will make some sort of spice mixture. Spice mixture. Spice mixture. Some red wine vinegar. Around there some black pepper, some onion powder, just a splash of it. Garlic powder of course. Thyme. Grounded black pepper. Ground your own black pepper if you don't use shitloads like me. But yeah, now there's good amounts of. Then we use some fish spice. This is some sort of wild spice. It's from Norway, but I have clearly no idea what it has inside. Krydder, pepper, einebär, fennikel, rose pepper. Okay, it has rose pepper. Krydderrotertäck, estragon. That's probably dragon. Timjam. That's thyme. Observare stort och icke var varmt. I don't know. Cranberry balsamico. Take our spice mixture and just gonna rub it in like this, and of course we go inside, take more mixture and rub it in. Now we have our fishes ready and we place them here. It's like cream fraise and cream combined to the dill. Fuck's sake, son. Yeah, and then we have these lovely little mushrooms that we have no idea what we are going to make. Something is going to be made out of them right now. I have no idea what I'm doing, but no, we're just gonna add some magic mushrooms to the pan. Oh, not magic. Why was I saying magic mushrooms? What? I don't know. But these are like cantarelle. And now, of course, we are going to add generous amount of butter to the pan. Today we are eating our fish with potatoes, They are boiling there. And we are going to just fry mushrooms. Just fry mushrooms on butter. Nothing else. No onions, no garlic, nothing else. Just onions. Simply cantareels and butter. Nothing else. Cantareels and butter. 200 degrees. And it's now at like 50 degrees, so probably 20 minutes to 30 minutes. Now we're changing plans. Fuck the stove. We have here the spice mix that we used before. We added some cream there. Mix it well, so all the flavor will stick to the cream that is left on the bowl. You see, the butter is almost melted. We add this thing inside. You can just take all of it out. If you want to not waste any flavor, you must get one of these. It's really a lifesaver. We're mixing it nice and well, but we just let it go there. Under the fish. That's it. Now leave it for like 10 minutes and whole shit is ready. Change the plans once again, because cooking is like experimenting and you will always change some plans because you want to do something more tasty and more lovely. So I found this from the fucking ice fucking closet. Fritkerester. But yes, this is hyvä suomalainen arkijuustoraste. And this is like shredded cheese, normal shredded cheese. And we are going to add this on top of here. But yeah, shredded cheese on top and back to the oven for like probably 5 minutes, and it's great. I think the food will be now ready. Take a look. This is how it went. I think it's good to go. Let's have a little piece of meat from here, middle section. It's tasty, but now check out these meals that we are making. How good they're looking. Look at this. This is beautiful. Good, but there's few very like sharp bones there, and they're quite firm and they can do potentially some damage. I would say it's 5 out of 5.
Laututuksessa on tärkeää se, että saunalautit ovat puhtaat, koska tänne lautittivelin yleensä jää semmoisia ruskeita sattumia. Lonkku pesee joka päivä saunaan.